In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your budget variance report for a more streamlined and insightful view. This process will help you make more informed decisions based on the most relevant and up-to-date data. To begin, let's navigate to the section where you manage reports. You'll want to go to Reports and then click on All Reports. Once you're there, look for the Budget Variance Report. This specific report is your key tool for tracking how your budget is holding up compared to your actual expenditures, so it's essential to have it set up just right. Now, to tailor this report to your needs, click on the Edit Layout option. This feature is your gateway to customizing how the information is displayed. By doing this, you're able to highlight the data that matters most to you and get rid of anything that's unnecessary. Speaking of streamlining, take a moment to delete any columns that aren't absolutely essential for your analysis. For instance, if the year-to-date columns aren't adding value or are cluttering the report, it's best to remove them. This makes your final report not only cleaner, but easier to interpret. Next, we need to add some new columns to the report. Specifically, you'll want to include 11 more columns tailored for date, budget, and variance. These additions will enhance how the report delivers information, offering a clearer picture of your financial status over time. Once these columns are added, it's crucial to configure the date range for each of them. Set the date range to following report date range. What this does is ensure that your report remains dynamic. Essentially, it means your report will always reflect a rolling 12-month period. This way, you're always looking at the most current and relevant data without needing to manually update the date ranges each time you open the report. After making these adjustments, the final step is to update the layout. Once you're satisfied with the structure of your report and everything is clear and concise, go ahead and save this customized report. This step is really about future-proofing. By saving it, you're just a few clicks away from this tailored view whenever you need it, providing consistent access to the insights you need most. By following these steps, you'll have a budget variance report that's not only tailored to your specific needs, but also efficient and informative. This customized view allows you to focus on the numbers that count and make strategic decisions with confidence, staying ahead with continual insights into your performance. Thanks for following along, and happy reporting.